some breakfast here in Marriott. And there's some bread. Gusto enjoy sa breakfast niya. Egg and sausage. There's some bread.
Magbe-bread pa nga doon siya.
There's Marriott Renaissance Hotel in Belgium. Order ka ng drinks. Ayan, daming pagkain, no? Ano? May waffle doon. May croissant. French bread. Doon, mga bacon.
Busog.
Busog. Yan. Galing nung kanila. Walang carpet, no? Putol-putol. Putol-putol. Si Bunso. Uy! Open it. Busog na naman, kainan. Balik sa hotel. Ayan. Dito kanina, I got loads of birds. Parang parrot dyan. Nawala na yung parrot.
3 is a magic number.
Nawala. Malis na. Ang parrot. Ayun. Andun. I don't know. You can see it. It's green. Andun. Andun siya. Ayan. Mga parrot. Ayun. I don't know if you can see it. Church na. And then we're gonna do swimming. And then we're gonna go libot again. Anong yung tinulugan? How's your sleep? Good? Busog? Ay! Busog ka eh. Ayan. Wala tayo mga ng TV. Uy! Catch on camera. Need the toilet. Come on. Bastos. Rude. That's rude. European.
Good morning, my idol.
Morning, mga idol. Meron tilapia dito. Maraming tilapia dito sa Belgium. Ano yan, tinapay? Morning. Ayan o. Democracy in action. We're in European Parliament. Ito yung mga EU. Dito tayo. Picture tayo dito, democracy. Ito. You want to democracy in action. Ayan. Mga kumakain sila. Ito, democracy in action. Ito, dito tayo. Picture tayo sa European Parliament sa Brussels, Belgium. Salita nila dito. Maintindihan. Ayan na. Ayan. Daming plug yan. Plug nila. Mga European. Dito ang European Parliament. Brussels, Belgium. Ito tayo sa kanilang garden. People's Garden. Kung sa Davao, may People's Park. Sa European, may People's Garden. Ayan, taas o. Manay kuhan. Tiles, granite. mga nila, labels. Dati meron dito mga dito. Mga animals nila. Ayan, cherry blossom. People's Leopold. Kay Leopoldo pala to eh. Shoutout kay Leopoldo. Shoutout kay Gregory Honey. Nagpapa-shoutout si Honey. Ayan. Paring Honey, andito na kami. Shoutout sa'yo. Sana'y mapanood mo to. Ayan o, cherry blossom. Ito mga pandito, walang mga ulo ah. Ito mga tulip. Ayan. Dito ang kanyang European Parliament. Ito ang center ng government ng Europe. Ito siya, ayan. Very futuristic. Yonggi oh. Yonggi in Europe. Ayan, park. Dry na dry. Alang ulan eh. Kaya dry siya, ayan. Cherry blossom. FBI, famous beer inspector. Yan, buying some souvenir in Brussels. Dami pa lang ditong tao. Parang high street. Kainan. May sandal bandoy. Stick, oh, ito. Maganda po dito. Ayan. Paikot-ikot. Paikot-ikot. Ari ah. Ari kami eh. Paikot-ikot. Ari, this way. Oh, ikot-ikot. Ayan. Ayan. Yan, so, here in Brussels. This is old building. Like antiques. Got loads of antiques here.
Are we speaking English or French? English? What would you like?
Moule Merrier. Very famous. Famous place. Famous place.
Yeah, it's automatically with things.
Okay.
And do you think 2 portions is enough for us?
You want 2 portions of mussels.
Ito yung classic burger ko. Yep. Yung bunso. Hotdog. Hotdog burger. And then another burger. And chips. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Panay burger na. Yeah, Belgian chocolate. Dami. Daming tao. Yan, chocolate museum going there. And check the chocolate. Ito, anaconda. Yeah, laki. Anaconda. Oh, look. Ah, pick a picture. Pick a picture. Ah, nagwiwiwi. Kaya waffle. Hurry, be careful. 1 euro, 1 euro. Kaya mura lang, 1 euro. Kaya walang waffle. 2 euros lang. Sarap yan, daming tao. Ay, andito lahat ng tao sa Brussels. Yan. Ano ba yan? For sale na ba to? Ha? Ah, hindi pa. Ito pala yun. Wiwiwi, ayan. Wiwiwi. Ito pala yung dinadayo nila dito. Agad na yan. Yan siya yun. Yan siya yan. Yan siya, nagwiwiwi. Kaming tao sa harap niya. Kaming tao nawadaan mo sa dito. Sa mga comics. Kasi comics is started in here. Lakad-lakad tayo sa Brussels. Ito ang ice cream. Ito si mannequin pala, ayan. Hip-hop mannequin. Ice cream. Ito yung ice cream mga guys. Mga boys. May isang Dando. Si Dando eh. Ito must try daw to sa Belgium. Especially waffle. Waffle made. Where are they? Nawala. Wala sila. We'll be upstairs.
That they visit Brussels, they stay here.
Amigo, ayan.
Last year, for example, we received Coldplay, we received the Rolling Stones, and the Canadian Singers The Weeknd. Are we going in? And now, guys, I'm going to give you a recommendation for It's not only a summer, it's a good option. If you're looking for something good, something cheap, and something.
Oop. Don't drop it. Where's mommy? Is it good? Kinain niya. Buy some food here. From my son. Dandoy. Dandoy. Kailangan doon mo rin kainin yan. Ayan, para... Ayan, dandoy niya. Ayan. Must try daw yan dito. May picture pa. Galing ah. Ice cream. It's nice and dandoy yan. Must try daw yan. Waffles. Hospital yun. Tabor.